I don't really know.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this CHUWI HiPad Max with me and I have been using this tablet for almost 8 days now. Yeah, today is the 9th day. Actually, not only me, 3 of us in this studio, in this Hans Tech Talk studio, all of us have been using a CHUWI HiPad Max for the last 9 days. We have bought 3 of these CHUWI HiPad Max tablets because we wanted something which doesn't cost more than $250, which comes with a 2K, Quad HD panel, which offers a vivid and vibrant color reproduction along with natural color tone and goes very bright. And on top of that, we definitely wanted very good battery life. So yeah, you have guessed it correctly. CHUWI HiPad Max costs less than $250. This one even costs less than $240. Okay, before we share what things we have got inside the box, before we do unboxing and other things, let's talk about the best part of this CHUWI HiPad Max. The best part of this CHUWI HiPad Max is its display panel. This is a 10.36-inch IPS LCD panel, but this is truly different. This one is a Quad HD panel, supports 1 billion colors. This one also comes with all the necessary and usual display options like adaptive brightness, dark theme, night light, and we can even choose the colors like whether we need natural colors, boosted colors or adaptive colors. More importantly, this one comes with Widevine L1 certification. Can you imagine that? This means we can stream FHD plus 1080p videos on Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu or on any other online streaming services.
Next, I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to.
Okay, after the display panel, the second most important part of this tablet is its SoC. This one comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC, which is a very capable and very strong SoC for an entry-level tablet. I have run Antutu Benchmark back-to-back twice, and you know what? The first time it has managed to get 251,720, and after running it back-to-back twice, the second time the score is 251,514, almost a zero thermal throttling. Can you imagine that? Yeah, to some people it may feel like, wow, only 251,000. Yeah, personally I don't prefer Antutu Benchmark, and most of the time I say benchmark scores doesn't reflect real life performance. But if you really wanna know, yeah, I have also ran Geekbench 5 and here comes the scores.
About the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts.
What do you think? Let's play some games. Me and Philip, we both have been playing games on this CHUWI HiPad Max. Even if we have a lot of other different tablets in this studio, now we both have a habit of playing Real Racing 3 and Shadow Fight 3 on this CHUWI HiPad Max. Because this is a very lightweight tablet, it doesn't feel so heavy, and even after playing games for hours, it doesn't become so hot. Why am I saying so hot? It doesn't even generate any heat. That's the truth. We both have had buttery smooth in-game experience and we both love the fluidity of this tablet. So yeah, if you are worried that whether you can play games or not, definitely you can play games. Whatever the game you throw at it, this CHUWI HiPad Max will be able to run the game. But the thing is, you need to understand this is an entry-level tablet and you cannot compare this one with a gaming smartphone.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
You know what? This CHUWI HiPad Max comes with 8GB RAM, 8GB LPDDR4 RAM. I'm not joking. 8GB of RAM, and I've tried like opening a lot of applications at the same time and have tried to flip between the applications. The fluidity, I cannot even imagine. 8GB of RAM really makes a big difference in an entry-level tablet. CHUWI deserves a big thumbs up. Not only the RAM, the storage is also UFS storage. This CHUWI HiPad Max is packed with 128GB UFS storage, so yeah, it's pretty fast. CHUWI HiPad Max comes with a 5-megapixel selfie sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor at the rear. You know what? I have never thought that an 8-megapixel sensor can take good pictures. Really, I was thinking like we are never gonna use these cameras because this must be not so good. But after I have taken some pictures, I'm truly surprised and I'm amazed. I really have never thought that a tablet with an 8 megapixel sensor can take good photos like this. Yeah, I was feeling a bit optimistic, and then I went outside with some of my friends. I've taken some photos and I'm truly satisfied.
Oh, I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want.
Now another thing has made me feel so happy and satisfied. Actually, the speaker setup of this CHUWI HiPad Max goes above and beyond its standard. This one comes with a quad speaker setup. CHUWI call it distributed matrix. There are 2 speakers at the bottom and 2 speakers on top. And all these 4 speakers actually offers a very good sound quality. Even at full volume, there is almost no distortion, crystal clear sound quality with a lot of bass. Let's listen to some music.
Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
Alright, there is a big issue. Almost all the entry-level tablets or smartphones, budget devices, almost all the time those devices comes with very old generation Android and doesn't offer very good support. Almost no major Android update or something like that, but this CHUWI is different. This one comes with Android 12 out of the box, and we definitely will get at least one major Android update. The final thing that has made me so happy about this CHUWI HiPad Max is its battery life. This one is packed with a 7000 mAh battery. For a tablet, yeah, that's usual, that's nothing too big, but when we have noticed here in this studio that we all, as we have bought 3 for 3 different people, all 3 different people are getting around 10 hours of screen on time without any issue. We have been playing games, we have been watching videos, mostly watching videos and playing games, and even after that, 10 hours of screen on time, bang! That's truly beyond what we have expected from this. Yeah, CHUWI deserves another thumbs up. Okay, this is CHUWI HiPad Max, and yeah, we really like this black colored edition. This feels like brushed aluminum, but the truth is this is a plastic back panel. Even if it's plastic, it's a very high quality, premium quality polycarbonate, and the unibody design gives it a nice appearance. Not only appearance, makes it much more sturdy, and yeah, in hand feels so premium. Even if this is an entry-level tablet, we have been using without any protective case because now we have the confidence that it's not gonna get scratched or damaged so easily. Well, as mentioned earlier, there is nothing but 2 speaker grills on top. Power button and volume rockers are on the upper right corner. There are 2 microphones on the right side and the SIM tray. Yeah, we are gonna talk about this SIM tray in a while. At the bottom, there are 2 other speaker grills, and at the center of the bottom part, there is a USB-C port. And finally, there is nothing on the left side. It's clean slate. So finally, if you're interested, then okay, let's do the unboxing. Only the brand name CHUWI is printed on top of this box, and this box is totally made out of recycled materials. So yeah, this is friendly to the nature. Another thumbs up to CHUWI. After opening the top lid, here comes our CHUWI HiPad Max. Underneath the HiPad Max, there was a screen protector which we have already applied on the CHUWI HiPad Max. There are 2 small boxes. The bigger box comes with a SIM ejector tool and some paperwork, a warranty card and a user manual. The smaller box comes with a 10-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, here comes the SIM tray. This SIM tray is actually a dual SIM hybrid SIM tray. We can also expand the storage of this CHUWI HiPad Max using a microSD card, and we can also use LTE data using a SIM card. This CHUWI HiPad Max supports TDD-LTE and FDD-LTE dual 4G networks. Also, as this one supports dual band Wi-Fi, this offers lightning quick network experience. Well, that's all about this CHUWI HiPad Max, the entry-level monster tablet. Yeah, have added the word monster because this one actually performs like a monster. Okay, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Please support honest content.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let